Here's a beginner-level business analyst quiz that covers change management and impact analysis, risk management and problem-solving and soft skills, communication, negotiation and critical thinking. Let's go. Question 1. What is the purpose of change management in a business project? A. To eliminate the need for documentation. B. To prevent stakeholders from making suggestions. C. To ensure smooth transitions during project changes. And D. To delay implementation timelines. The answer is to ensure smooth transitions during project changes. Question 2. Which document helps evaluate the potential effects of a proposed change? A. Status report. B. Impact analysis document. C. Test plan. And D. Sprint backlog. The answer is Impact Analysis Document. Question 3. What is a key reason changes should be analysed before implementation? A. To manage stakeholder expectations and project stability. B. To reduce the number of meetings. C. To ensure all requirements are vague. And D. To replace the project team. The answer is to manage stakeholder expectations and project stability. Question 4. Who usually approves or rejects change requests in a structured project? A. Product owner. B. Business analyst. C. Development team. And D. Change control board, CCB. The answer is Change Control Board, CCB. Question 5. Which of the following is the first step in risk management? A. Risk escalation. B. Risk monitoring. C. Risk identification. And D. Risk avoidance. The answer is risk identification. Question 6. What type of risk strategy involves taking steps to reduce the likelihood or impact of a risk? A. Avoid. B. Mitigate. C. Transfer. And D. Accept. The answer is mitigate. Question 7. Which technique helps uncover the root cause of a business issue? A. Root cause analysis, RCA. B. Brainstorming. C. Feasibility study. And D. Product backlog review. The answer is root cause analysis, RCA. Question 8. Which of the following is a visual tool used for identifying cause and effect? A. Gantt chart. B. Swim lane diagram. C. Fishbone diagram. And D. Use case diagram. The answer is Fishbone diagram. Question 9. Which of these is an example of risk acceptance? A. Buying insurance. B. Taking no action and proceeding. C. Delaying the project. And D. Reassigning resources. The answer is taking no action and proceeding. Question 10. What is a critical thinking skill used by business analysts? A. Challenging assumptions and evaluating evidence. B. Accepting all stakeholder input without question. C. Relying solely on experience. And D. Avoiding difficult questions. The answer is challenging assumptions and evaluating evidence. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the most important skill for active listening during stakeholder interviews? A. Interrupting to confirm points. B. Multitasking. C. Taking phone calls during the discussion. And D. Giving undivided attention and asking clarifying questions. The answer is giving undivided attention and asking clarifying questions. Question 12. Which of these best represents a win-win negotiation strategy? A. Pushing only your point until it's accepted. B. Compromising on quality to meet budget. C. Finding a mutually beneficial solution. And D. Avoiding the discussion completely. The answer is finding a mutually beneficial solution. Question 13. Which of the following behaviors would be considered poor communication? A. Following up meetings with a summary email. B. Using jargon unfamiliar to the audience. C. Asking open-ended questions. And D. Listening without interrupting. The answer is using jargon unfamiliar to the audience. Question 14. What type of question is best for gathering in-depth requirements? A. Open-ended questions. B. Yes or no questions. C. Closed-ended questions. And D. Leading questions. The answer is open-ended questions. Question 15. When conducting stakeholder analysis for change, what should be evaluated? A. Their financial status. B. Their technical skills only. C. Their handwriting. And D. Their influence and interest levels. The answer is their influence and interest levels. Question 16. What is the main goal of a change impact analysis? A. To reject all change requests. B. To identify and assess the consequences of a proposed change. C. To adjust timelines randomly. And D. To create more paperwork. The answer is to identify and assess the consequences of a proposed change. Question 17. What does negotiation typically involve in a business context? A. Arguing for your side. B. Avoiding difficult conversations. C. Reaching agreements that satisfy multiple parties. And D. Denying all requests. The answer is reaching agreements that satisfy multiple parties. Question 18. Which soft skill is most helpful when facilitating conflict resolution? A. Emotional intelligence. B. Technical expertise. C. Budgeting skills. And D. Writing code. The answer is emotional intelligence. Question 19. What is the benefit of feedback loops in communication? A. They delay progress. B. They increase cost. C. They reduce collaboration. And D. They provide confirmation and clarity. The answer is they provide confirmation and clarity. Question 20. When a business analyst challenges assumptions, they are practicing A. Negotiation, B. Critical thinking, C. Stakeholder management, and D. Agile development. The answer is critical thinking. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.